Hi, I'm Erin Driesen, owner of Auto Wash. We're going to go over some interior products today. We're going to do some incredible interiors, some leather conditioning, and some dynamic dressing with this wonderful Toyota Sienna mommy van. We'll start in the vehicle with Incredible Interiors, which is a all-purpose cleaner to use on the interior of the surface, all hard surfaces, and if you want to do a color fastness test, it works for carpets as well. So when working on the interior of a car, having multiple application tools is always helpful. Love brushes, especially brushes with nice fan tips here. Never spray directly on the car. You end up with a lot of overspray. Spray onto your application tools and use that there to actually get into the nooks and crannies so you don't have that overspray. See all those nice dirty lines of this going all over the car? Here we go. Much better. One of the better reasons not to eat in your car, especially with leather seats, is for this right here. The crumbs and dirt get into the seam, and just like chafing, because this is a skin, it's going to rub raw and start to actually degrade the stitching in your leather seats. So when you come to detailing, using a good brush to be able to get those pieces out is going to be super beneficial. Pulling the seat back a little bit so you can get in there and start sweeping that out. Whew, this one's gonna look great when we're done. So Incredible Interior is our go-to product for all interior cleaning here at the Auto Wash showroom. Love it, use it on everything. Let's get the rest of this car cleaned up. That's Incredible Interiors. You can check out this product along with all of our others at autowashdirect.com. I'm Erin Driesen. Thank you from Auto Wash, because you love your car.